CBC leaders returned to China to join SNEC PV in Shanghai and to attend the inauguration ceremony of the Guofu Phase 3 Smart Factory project in Zhangjiagang. Driven by visionary leader Mister Pinfang Wu, renowned as the father of hydrogen in China and honorary co-chair of the CBC's Clean Hydrogen Hub, Guofu, with its impressive 3.5 gigawatt alkaline electrolyser capacity and Together We Are Stronger working spirit, is poised to empower the clean hydrogen revolution. During their visit to Guofu, CBC leaders held a hybrid final jury meeting for the World CleanTech Startups Awards, honoring the most innovative and disruptive startups in our industry. Afterwards, they moved to Shanghai to join SNEC PV, the largest global show in the solar and cleantech space, where 15 CBC visionary members were recognized with the Global Solar Leaders Awards for their collective 500 years of pioneering efforts in the solar industry. CBC leaders celebrated a partnership with SNEC and Aquapower aimed at uniting cleantech, hydrogen, and water industries leaders, marked by the official launch of the CBC Clean Water Hub. Thumbs up for clean tech, clean hydrogen, and clean water, the best friends forever. Together we are stronger.